Repeat it. My hands are low-key full. I'm not joking when I said that my hands are low-key full. I have gloves, the dog leash thing, and the phone, and the axe and the selfie stick are in the same hand. Yeah, Eddie, you're not actually going anywhere. You just gotta chill here with me. Where did I put Eddie? This is starting out so well. It's really cold, kinda. I'm not so happy about that. Wood chopping stream, the title and everything is correct, right? How many times did I almost fall so far? 3? 4? I'm gonna put you here. Full jacket is back, yes. I also have a...
Ei Edi. Mä vien sut sisälle, Edi, jos...
I also have a... like a collar under my shirt because it was cold.
I found my old Christmas tree.
This is my old Christmas tree from last year. A Christmas tree.
I will show it.
Eddie's not getting hit. I wouldn't throw a branch at him. He's upset that I dared to abandon him. We don't need the wood to stay warm. We're just chopping some for fun. I swear I have paper somewhere here. My nose is running. I don't think I'm invincible. I've heard stories. My cousin is already missing parts of one of his finger. And he's younger than me. And my uncle fell on his chainsaw. Or fell with his chainsaw in his hand a year back. And I heard that story. And I wouldn't want to fall with my chainsaw in my hand. Nothing beats chainsaw ASMR, I know, right? Chainsaw is ready to go. Hey! Enjoy the sound. Let's see if I remember how this thing works. I think I just need to press the... This isn't that loud. yeah, more donkey. But it's okay. If I get hit by a branch, that's okay. I just don't want to get hit by the saw. The wire is giving you anxiety. Well, it's a wired chainsaw. I can't make it go further. It needs to be connected to the saw. The chainsaw does not work with Bluetooth. It works with electricity. I promise, guys, I won't die. It would be against toss. Cut the cable so I don't accidentally saw through it. A brilliant idea. I can upgrade the saw to 5G so I can use it further from the house. Yeah, that makes perfect sense. Yeah, Scottian. I don't have safety pants. Hey, but at least I'm wearing boots. And not high heels, so... I like making this kind of content. And I like to call this ironic lifestyle content. Okay? So, it's like lifestyle content, but fucking stupid. And I think that's genius. I low-key disagree with the concept of weird. It's just like... we're all inherently weird, which is kinda opposed to the concept of weirdness. That... Fuck, it's so slippery. Sorry. Fucking finally. I don't even need this wood for warming my house. I just need wood if I need to go to sauna. To be fair, it's like a core need of Finnish people. Am I going to cut down my own Christmas tree? Yes, in December. My uncle was chainsawing in the forest, and he fell while holding the chainsaw. And when you fall, your reflex can be to grip into things. And his reflex was to grip into the chainsaw, as in turn it on, as he was falling face first into the chainsaw. And the helmet saved his life, basically. So, we're wearing helmets when we're dealing with chainsaw. Old Christmas tree. A Christmas tree. Oh my gosh, I like this. I'm taking you to a different place. because next I need to chop wood. I really suck at chopping wood. I just need to let you know. This is gonna be sad. I might lose my Finnish citizenship. Six times the charm. Sixth time. Yeah. Thank you for the encouragement, Elmar. I'm kind of terrified every time I swing the axe. If you guys don't notice. Someone is warming the sauna. I can smell the smoke. Don't be worried, Finn. I'm not going to. Ouch, my finger kind of hurts. But that's unrelated. My uncle once hit himself in the leg with the axe. And he didn't even immediately notice it. And he was fine. I think it's getting too dark. You guys can't see anything. That's our pile of logs. I mean, I think we got a reasonable amount done. But now we need to take the chainsaw inside. But it's original from the house. It's been there since I moved in here. My car tires. See, perfectly normal. Perfectly normal garage. Oh. Need to use keys because I locked Eddie on the inside. Eddie knows how to open doors. Look, I'm doing old people stuff. I had this on. Water, okay? So this is what I need wood for. This is a big water pot. You can heat it with wood if you want to. I don't really use that. This is my sauna. This is the sauna stove. This you heat with wood. I use this not a lot, but okay. This is a pillow that's apparently drying in the sauna. That's a dirty ass bed sheet. And that's a clean carpet. I don't know why they were touching each other. That's kind of triggering my OCD, but carpets are not meant to be that clean, so it's okay. Here's my wood storage. Glorious. There's a saw. That's a little bit rusty, but not as rusty as the rusty saws. This is what keeps my house warm. This is what I changed the filter for some time back. So you take this whole thingy out and you disassemble it, what's inside the tube kinda, and you change this like filter slash nozzle thing. It's both filter and nozzle at the same time. And that way the thing will keep going. Also, that's my hot water temperature. Normal. And the oil is in there. And my oil canisters, if I run out of oil, I'm gonna go fill those at the gas station. My football shoes. Here are all the cinnamon rolls I made last week. And here's everyone's favorite room. Yeah. Oh, I didn't put the axe